2025 is shaping up to be a thrilling year for smartphone enthusiasts, with Apple taking center stage with its highly anticipated iPhone 17 Air. According to a report from a South Korean news outlet, CISA Journal, the iPhone 17 Air will be Apple's thinnest smartphone ever, measuring an incredible 6.25 millimeters thick. This is significantly slimmer than the 7.80 millimeters thickness of the iPhone 16 and even thinner than the 6.90 millimeters iPhone 6, Apple's thinnest iPhone to date. As with many of Apple's innovations, competitors are already reacting to the leaks. CISA Journal's report claims that Samsung is actively developing a competing device called the Galaxy S25 Slim, which is clearly inspired by the design rumors surrounding the iPhone 17 Air. Rumors suggest that the slim model is set to feature an ultra-thin design at approximately 6.5 millimeters thick, just near Apple's 6.25 millimeters profile. By offering a more affordable alternative to Apple's high-priced Air model, Samsung aims to capture a broader audience without compromising on flagship-level features. The iPhone 17 Air is rumored to replace Apple's current Plus model, inheriting its price point with a starting price of $899. Reports from recent sources suggest this change reflects Apple's strategy to streamline its lineup and address shifting consumer preferences. Positioned as a premium yet accessible option, the Air model is expected to strike a balance between form and functionality without entering Pro territory. Featuring a 6.6-inch display with ProMotion technology, the 17 Air will support refresh rates of up to 120 Hz. The device is rumored to sport a single 48-megapixel rear camera, complemented by a 24-megapixel front camera. While it doesn't carry the advanced multi-lens systems of the Pro models, the focus seems to be on simplicity and effectiveness. Interestingly, this upcoming flagship model will reportedly include Apple's new A19 chip, paired with 8 GB of RAM. However, it will miss out on the A19 Pro, a processor reserved for the Pro variants. Apple's premium 2025 iPhone models are expected to debut an Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip, enabling simultaneous use of the 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands for faster speeds, lower latency, and improved reliability. This move will reduce dependence on external suppliers like Broadcom, which currently provides Wi-Fi and Bluetooth components. Rumors also suggest an anti-reflective, scratch-resistant display that surpasses the ceramic shield used in earlier models. The outer glass may include a super-hard, anti-reflective layer, possibly matching Corning's latest Gorilla Glass technology. Not only this, but even Dynamic Island is expected to become significantly narrower due to the adoption of innovative Metalens technology for the Face ID system. This would mark the first change to Dynamic Island since its 2022 debut, aligning with Apple's focus on precision optics and sleek designs. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to debut alongside the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup in September. On the other side, the slim model is also expected to debut later this year, likely in the second or third quarter. What features are you most excited about in the upcoming iPhone 17 Air and its innovative lineup? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech updates and deep dives.